Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we're going to do an install video on our 2020 and newer GMC front fender caps. So this front fender cap is designed to replace the factory mud flap, give you more clearance for the running larger tires. What's cool about this, injection molded, extremely durable plastic, and it matches the factory texture just perfect. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the factory mud flap. We got the cap off. What we're going to do is we need to mark out two measurements. So you're going to need a Sharpie and your tape measure. First thing we do is we're coming back here and we're putting a mark at 3 inches. So it's 3 inches this way. Then we're coming up on the front and going 1.25 inches. So you measure at the bottom, 1.25 inches, and make your mark. Okay? Once you got those two done, grab your straight edge and run diagonally. So that's going to show you where we got to cut. So we're just cutting out this little 1.25 inches by 3 inch. And what that's going to do, that's going to give us that extra clearance. That's why we got this angled right here. Okay, so that's step 2. Step 3, we're going to cut this thing next. Now that we've got our line drawn where to cut, right at the edge of the 3 inches here, we have to cut completely back, straight back to the edge of the fender. Now that we've got our metal piece cut out, we're gonna start at the bottom corner here. We're coming straight in. Then we're gonna follow this seam up, basically straight across from the bottom of the fender, and then we're coming across here and diagonal. We're going to get rid of, we're not going to use this hole anymore. We're going to cut the inner fender felt out. The best way to cut this inner felt, we found, is just using a set of heavy duty scissors. These are set, you know, you can cut leather with these things. You know, you could also use a side cutter, you know, a 10 dikes or something like that. The stuff isn't all that tough to cut, so we got that part done. Come over here. You can just see the piece we cut out here. Come around the side here, just like that. Now that we've got our inner fender cut out, we've got our piece of metal cut out, we're going to put the cap on now. It's got the same little tabs, locating tabs to go in place. Easiest way to do is take your front screw, start it first. Just get it in a couple threads, turn it a little bit. Then you come back here, cap, insert that just perfect to where you got your line hooked up, and then you come back here and do your back screw. Now you got the back screw in, you're ready to tighten the two factory screws. So there you go, that's it. Now that we got the cap installed, you can see this thing is same texture, same color, just looks like it came from the factory like that. We've got additional clearance for our tires. You know, the fit and finish is perfect. It's very durable. Check out kelderman.com and get yourself a set of these things ordered up today.